Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick speed test comparison of the OnePlus Nord with the Realme X3. So we're going to take the settings and I will just show you. So we have the OnePlus Nord with us, and this device comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 octa-core processor, and we also have Oxygen OS, while we have the Realme X3 with Realme UI version 1.0 and Android 10. We have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 plus octa-core processor on this device. So Realme X3 has couple of advantages. One is that it has UFS 3.0 support. Also it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 plus octa-core processor, while the OnePlus Nord has the Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor. Now we have these 12 apps lined up, and we're gonna clear off all the background apps. So there you go. So we have cleared off all the background apps on both the devices. Now we'll just see the network connection. So you can see here both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Both are in airplane mode as well. So we'll just once again clear off all the apps. So there you go. Now we're going to start the speed test. First we'll go with PUBG Mobile. So both have the gaming mode enabled by default. So let's see which is able to load the games faster. So obviously the Realme X3 with the Snapdragon 855 plus loaded PUBG Mobile faster than the OnePlus Nord. So next app is Asphalt 9. Let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. So let's wait for it. So here again you can see that the Realme X3 was faster here when it comes to Asphalt 9. Next is Play Store. Again Realme X3 was a tad faster. Next is Chrome browser. Almost same time, probably Realme X3 had a minor advantage. Next is Facebook app. Again X3 was a tad faster. Next is Twitter. Again X3 was faster. Instagram. Again X3 was a bit faster. Ghana we see OnePlus Nord was a tad faster. Now Amazon. Again the Realme X3 is faster. Flipkart. Again X3 is faster. File Manager. Again X3 is faster. Settings X3 is faster. YouTube. Again X3 is faster. Gmail. Here we could see that OnePlus Nord was a tad faster. Now camera. Again X3 is faster. And finally Maps. So again almost same time. So you could see that overall almost all of the apps except for a couple of apps. So you could see that almost all of the apps were faster on the Realme X3. Only one or two apps were faster on the OnePlus Nord. So this is more or less evident because this is because of the 855 plus octa-core processor and also UFS 3.0 support for the storage, which helps in better app loading. In fact OnePlus Nord wasn't bad because it was kind of slightly lower than the Realme X3, but it did a pretty good job overall. Now next is the memory management. So let's open these apps in the reverse order. So first is Maps. Again both are available. Camera again available. Gmail is available. YouTube available in the memory. Settings available. File Manager again available. Flipkart is available. Amazon again available. Ghana again available. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of these apps are available on both the phones. Now Chrome browser is also available. Play Store is available. Now next let's see the games. Again both the devices have that games in the memory. In fact here you could see that it's a bit loaded here. In fact this reloaded. Here you could see that this is available. So that could be an advantage. So this is reloaded, while OnePlus Nord it was not reloaded. So that's something which is different. Now next is PUBG Mobile. PUBG is available on both the devices. So you could see that the memory management, one app was reloaded, the Asphalt 9 was kind of reloaded on the Realme X3. So only one app was reloaded on the Realme X3, while all of the other apps were retained. OnePlus Nord was able to retain all the apps, including the Asphalt 9, which was reloaded on the X3. So here we could see that in terms of performance, definitely the Realme X3 is a better choice, because 855 Plus and UFS 3.0, those two things are more than enough for better performance when compared to the OnePlus Nord. So that is the speedtest comparison. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. We will be coming up with a detailed camera comparison of these two devices, so stay tuned for that. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.